PG&E is facing a homicide case here in Shasta County with 4 alleged victims. We have Fayla and Elena McLeod, that's an 8-year-old girl, and her mother, along with Kenneth Vaughn and Karen King, neighbors of theirs who died in this fire. They make up the first 4 counts in a 31-count case, a criminal complaint against PG&E. As you see, involuntary manslaughter, the most serious of those charges, the same charge that PG&E pleaded guilty to the next county over in Butte County for the 2018 Camp Fire that destroyed the town of Paradise. This fire, the Zogg Fire, sparked only 3 months after PG&E pleaded guilty to Paradise. It burned up in the hills above Redding, destroying homes in the small communities of Igo and Ono, and that is where these deaths occurred. We spent time today with Zach McLeod. He's the father of little Fayla McLeod and also the husband of Elena. He says it's very important to see justice done here.
I really do hope that it does affect some change and can keep people safer.
There's also a court transparency issue here. Judge Bradley Boeckman is going to allow our news cameras to record the proceedings when PG&E goes into court for this preliminary hearing, but he has forbidden the recording of audio, which means we're not going to be able to bring you the sound, the words that are actually spoken in open court that we'll be listening to during this court, as long as that order stands. The family of Fayla and Elena McLeod say they're disappointed with that order and they really want the judge to reconsider.
I feel it's very important that the public hears the evidence and hears what their defense lawyers are going to bring up. You know, they have a right to know.
The task for prosecutors in this preliminary hearing is to convince the judge that there's sufficient evidence to bind PG&E over for a trial on these manslaughter and other criminal charges. It's expected to drag on for potentially 3 to 5 weeks. In Shasta County, Brandon Rittiman, ABC 10 News.